We have a health alert for you this morning as experts predict this will be the worst season ever for tick-borne diseases.
Yeah, so families have been going to local labs to be tested before symptoms even surface. Rashi Vass live at one of those labs out in Sugar Land to explain. Hi, Rashi.
Hey, good morning. So one of the reasons why the tick-borne illnesses are supposed to increase and be the worst this season, according to the Centers for Disease Control, is because we've had mild winters and they breed in those lower temperatures. I'm here at Any Lab Test Now, which is one of the facilities here in Houston that's been busy because folks have been coming in to get tested to make sure that they don't have the symptoms for Lyme disease, which can be very, very scary. We're going to go in now. One of the tests that you perform is a blood test. So I have George here. So, George, tell me why, as a parent also, you just get concerned about this.
Well, it's very important to get tested. I'm going to get a blood test. I'm going to bring in my family as well, especially this year with the increase in tick disease illnesses. You definitely want to get tested.
Yeah, definitely do, because once a tick actually latches, it takes 24 to 48 hours for the Lyme disease to actually spread, which can be very, very bad. I have Doug here, and you say that you see a lot of people coming in, and what is their main concern?
Well, here at Any Lab Test Now, we offer thousands of different tests, including the Lyme disease test, specific test. We see a lot of people coming in here who have maybe been exposed to a tick. Sometimes you don't even know, right? You might have been out in grassy areas, wooded areas. Maybe you find a tick bite, maybe you don't. So it's very important to come in if you think you've been exposed here at Any Lab Test Now and have that test taken.
So it's basically, when do you know that you need to actually get tested? Because they're so small, you don't even know if you actually have a tick.
That's right. So sometimes you might not know you've even been exposed to it, right? So if you have flu-like symptoms, that's one of the symptoms of the disease, but it can develop into some very serious symptoms.
You need to come and get tested right away. And if you have a tick, here's a picture of a tick.
Sure.
So show us exactly, really quickly, how you should remove it and bring it to a lab.
Sure. So here at Any Lab Test Now, we follow the CDC recommendations. What you want to do, this is a tick. Take your pair of tweezers if you find one on you, or you're an animal or a child. Very carefully grab it by the head or mouth area, and then just gently remove that, being careful not to crush it. Then what you can do, once you've removed it, you can take a piece of towel, moisten it just with water, drop the tick in there, put it in a Ziploc bag, and you can bring the whole lot of this together into Any Lab Test Now, and we can actually do a tick identification test, and that'll tell you, is this a type of tick which may have Lyme disease or not.
All right, and there are a lot of preventative measures that you can take as well. So coming up in the 9 a.m. hour, we're going to tell you all about that, so you want to stick around. For now, reporting live in Sugar Land, we'll send it back over to you.